Suresh, what is the biggest challenge businesses are facing today?
Yeah, organizations across all industries are facing an avalanche of data. And this data comprises not merely text and numbers, they includes SMSs, videos, audios, messages, mails, browsing data, scanned information, barcode readers, RFID tags, social media feedback, and comments. In other words, huge and complex unstructured data is flowing like a torrent today. Companies find this historically unprecedented. Uh, this unprecedented flow of data too big and complex to be processed and managed effectively. Of course, companies are all data driven. Their top priority is to derive useful information from raw data, convert that information into insights, and then act on those insights to drive more business. In one phrase, doing business is now happening in a completely new paradigm. That's put simply the most interesting part of the big data challenge. You see, in early days, companies were very conservative and they were very happy to deal with structured data and businesses. They had a sequence, problems were predictable, outcomes were defined. However, in today's world of unstructured data, companies need a whole new way of thinking because the businesses have never faced such unstructured environment before. The flow of data is really, really humongous. Huge in volume, huge in velocity, huge in variety. And to top it all, many such data is very difficult to verify. Companies are asking questions like how do I measure customer behavior and sentiment by analyzing feedback and social media likes and comments. How do I process data that comes from scanned documents, mail exchanges, Facebook chats, signals from embedded systems? And then what kinds of tools and platforms do I need to collate and analyze such big data and to derive insights to run my business better? Those are the typical questions people are asking now. Fortunately, we do have the tools and technologies and massive computing facilities to process and analyze such big data. So companies are looking for people who can come and help them with this big data knowledge and expertise.
Suresh, where simply do these big data experts come from?
Simply put, they come from our colleges. Our students have now the capability to learn, to use new tools, new business models. They can learn quickly and become data experts, data scientists and data analysts, etc. So young people in colleges can plunge into this exciting domain called big data and analytics. They will get exciting and challenging opportunities. Why do they get that? Because business are not only going to get more complex, as data will flow and continue to increase. So more jobs, more challenges, more careers.
Suresh, what is 361 Degree Minds doing about this?
Yeah, well, we in 361 Degree Minds are helping young people in colleges understand the new domain called big data. Our courses start with the basics of big data and help students be aware of how data is defining new business and economic models. We teach them technology, we teach them tools, we build their capability. Our courses in big data help students understand real-world problems, analyze them, solve them using big data tools, and help the customers succeed. Our students are certain to get an exciting start to their career. To the students I say, come learn with us in a way you have never learned before.